Welcome to the course on Python. In this particular course, we will learn more about Python programming language and why it is used. So, the first question is why we use Python. So, Python is a general purpose programming language which is easy to understand and which can be used for software development. So yes, it is considered to be the most easiest language available. So Python is a high level language that it is easy for the user to read the syntax, and without any complications you can directly read the syntax and write the code as well. And it's an interpreted language, so we can directly execute the program in Python rather than compiling it, and it is fastest both object oriented and procedure oriented programming language as well. So object oriented Python follows the object oriented concepts, and also you can build a Python code without using classes. So now isn't it interesting? So now let's get started and know how the Python is useful in application development. So here with the help of Python we can make a web development, that is we can build a website, and also it's used as a part of a game development. The recent trend in machine learning and artificial intelligence also plays a vital role. So with the help of Python we can easily make them possible, and it's also used for creating desktop applications, embedded devices and media apps. Like we can make applications which are based on audio and video, and also in several business applications where we store the user data and provide the analytics. These are the top companies which use Python in their programming as well. So Google, Facebook, Instagram, Quora and Netflix. Previously we have discussed like media applications, so Netflix also use Python for their applications, and Dropbox. So these are the few companies. There are several other companies which use Python. Python is also a popular programming language, and nowadays it is getting more attention. Python is not a new programming language. It was been from 1989. So prior to the Java, Python is been in the software industry. To get started into the Python application development, we require these two tools. So we need to install Python on our system, and this is a PyCharm. So it's an IDE for creating Python applications. So I prefer using PyCharm. So you may also make it with the help of a notepad or any other IDE. In this tutorial we will be using PyCharm for Python programming. This is the official site where we can download the Python onto our system. So here under the downloads you are having various operating system options here. So out of which I am going to select Mac OS. So if you are Windows operating system, you can download the Windows version of Python here. We are going to download the latest release of Python 3.9.4. Make sure you are downloading the latest one. So now we are about to install. Go through these instructions and tap on continue, and also here you can go through the history of the software and just tap on the continue and agree the instructions, and then you need to select the available space, and then if you want to change the installation location you can do it here. So now we are about to install Python on our system. So the installation procedure is same on all the operating systems, and if you are having any queries do let me know in the comment section below. So yes, Python is now installed on our system, and we can move the package to bin after the successful installation. So now we will try to install the PyCharm, the IDE which we use for Python programming. So here is the PyCharm official website. So it's powered by JetBrains. Now we are about to download, and here you are having two versions of the PyCharm. One is professional and another is community. So for development purpose I am going to download this community version, and if you have a requirement for the professional you can just go ahead and download the professional version, and it has some additional features. So based upon your operating system it will directly download. Here you need not choose the operating system, it will directly do it for you. So here we are opening our PyCharm package, and you need to drag and drop this to install on Mac, and in Windows you can directly tap on the install button, and there you need to go through the instructions and start installing it. So we are about to open our PyCharm IDE now after the successful installation on our system. So it will ask you, are you sure you want to open it, as we have downloaded it from internet. So as a security precaution it will ask, so you can tap on the open button. So here this is the first page for our PyCharm IDE. So as I said, you need to go through these instructions and then tap on continue if you agree to it, and here you may choose any of the options available. So here we are about to open our PyCharm for the first time. It might take some time to load. Now our IDE is completely available for us to start programming Python. This is it for this tutorial, and if you are having any queries regarding the installation of Python, do let me know in the comment section below. And if you like this tutorial and if you are interested to start learning Python, you may follow us and stay updated regarding the new Python tutorials coming up by subscribing to our channel.